For today's video, I will show you how to pay with a Venmo on Doordash. So, let's begin. So, the first thing we need to do is create an account on Doordash if you haven't done so. All you're gonna do is simply provide your first and last name, an email, of course your mobile number. And once you have done that, log into your newly created account using your credentials. And then you might want to find the available promos near you, so you need to enter the delivery address. Alright, because DoorDash might offer some discounts and promos, alright? And you need to sign in for save address. Now, say for example, you already have a restaurant you would like to order, and you would like to pay Venmo, using Venmo. So, the next thing we need to do is simply you can always use DoorDash coupons to unlock discounts at their website. Now here from the DoorDash website, you have all the options here, alright? So the payment options does DoorDash offer is simply they accept debit and prepaid, they accept PayPal, gift cards, Google Pay, ShopPay, and other payment methods, alright? Now here, all you're gonna do on the payment details, say for example, you're gonna go to the payment section and you're gonna pay with one of the payment methods that DoorDash accepts. All you're gonna do is click on Venmo, enter your Venmo number or account if you haven't linked it yet. Alright? But I assume it's already been here. That means you have already linked your Venmo card here on your DoorDash, right? And once you have done that, you would simply get a notification that you are ordering using your Venmo card here in DoorDash. And after that, once you receive the verification method, the transaction will reflect on your Venmo account. All you need to do first is when you log into your Venmo account, you would see the transaction history that you have already paid DoorDash for your order or your purchase. Also, you can do it here, directly here in Venmo. See, for example, you want to pay DoorDash right here, and you would see automatically the remaining balance for your Venmo account, okay? Now, in case you are having problems using your Venmo here in DoorDash for some reason, well, all you're gonna do is contact DoorDash customer support right here, and you need help with your current order, and the DoorDash team will be more than glad to help you assist on using your Venmo here on DoorDash platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.